Okay, this is follow-up video to the clogged sunroof drain / leaking sunroof. What I have since done is, unable to clear the clog, I bought a very large magnet. One of those things people stick on the side of their vehicles to advertise. I got it 2.5 feet by 3 feet, I believe. So I put it over the top of the sunroof when it is raining, like today. Bam. There you go. I got it to kind of sort of match the color of the car with the lettering. It kind of resembles the font on the valve covers. And so with this guy, we can drive around if it is raining out, or I can take it off and drive it until I get to my destination and then put it on. I keep it in the trunk, and on wet days or days like where it has already rained like this, I want to put it on. I keep a spare or a leftover wiper blade off of my Vet that I'm not using. I can just kind of wipe the water off before I apply it, so there's not water stuck under there. Or I have the California duster for those dry days if I want to keep the dust off and I anticipate rain coming. But it's worked pretty good so far. On dry days, it doesn't seem, on dry cold days anyway, it doesn't seem like I can go above 40 before that thing blows off. So not recommended for that. Maybe that'll be different if it ever gets warm and the sun bakes it on. But with it moist like this, if there's a little bit of moisture between here and the car, I've driven 60 plus miles an hour without it blowing off. So it seems to hold a little bit better with some water in there. But there we go. That's how we have temporarily fixed that problem, possibly even permanently fixed that problem. Just slap that huge decal on, or that huge magnet on rainy days. So now we don't have a plugged up sunroof causing a leak into my interior anymore. Thanks for watching. Peace.